How to request to join Telegram channel. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to request to join Telegram channel. So to do this, you have to follow these simple steps. First of all, you want to open the Telegram application on your device. Once you open it up, this is how the interface will look. Next, you want to tap on the search bar at the top of the page and type in the group that you want to join. Now, for example, I am just going to go ahead and select. So let's see, this is the one. Now, what next I'm going to do is select the group that I want to go with. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. And next, what you have to do is simply go ahead and scroll down and locate the channel that you want to join. And when you click on it, at the bottom you could find this request link or request button. So you just need to tap on it, and when the admin views it, and if he actually wants to accept your request, then you could just go ahead and you'll be added automatically. Otherwise, the other thing you also want to make sure to do is you could also get, or you'll also need, an invitation link from an admin. All you need to do is just click on the link if you receive one, and the channel requires the approval. So you leave a join, or you leave a join request instead of joining immediately. You could then manage your pending requests from the channel settings to either approve or decline them as well. So this way you'll be able to request to join Telegram channel. I hope your video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.